Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a hot topic in the tech world, iOS 17's NameDrop feature. With so much misinformation floating around, it's time to set the record straight. If you've been worried about NameDrop based on the recent warnings from various police departments, this video is just for you. Let's debunk the myths and uncover the truth about this misunderstood feature. NameDrop was introduced with iOS 17 and later extended to newer Apple Watches with iOS 17.1. It's essentially an evolved version of AirDrop, but unlike some viral videos or police warnings might suggest, NameDrop isn't a privacy invader. It's designed for easy and consensual sharing of contact information. Despite being around for over 2 months, it's surprising how much confusion still surrounds it. Let's dive into how NameDrop really functions. To use it, you need to bring the top of 2 iPhones close to one another. Something like this. What follows is a slick animation and vibration, giving you the option to either share your contact information or just receive the other person's details. Receive only or share. Same thing on the other side, receive only or share. And here you have different options as to what information you want to share. So you can go through and deselect and select various things from your profile. Important point, if you don't want to share your info, simply move your phones apart or lock one of them. This feature requires deliberate action to share information, so there's no risk of unintentional sharing. Unfortunately, some viral content, like a TikTok video that gained traction, has been misleading. It claimed that just being in proximity could lead to automatic sharing of contact details. This misconception was further spread by several police departments, creating unnecessary panic among users. For those who still have concerns and prefer to disable NameDrop, here's a quick guide. Navigate into your settings, then scroll down to General. From here, you're going to want to tap on AirDrop. And here, you can turn off bringing devices together under Start Sharing By. It's as simple as that. This brings us to a bigger issue, how Apple communicates new features. Often, their methods like splash screens or pop-ups are overlooked, leading to misunderstanding about functionalities like NameDrop. It's crucial for Apple to find more effective ways to educate its users about such updates. In conclusion, it's vital to approach new tech features with education rather than fear. As tech enthusiasts, it's our job to understand and correctly use these features. And as a content creator, my mission is to help bridge that gap. NameDrop is safe and requires your consent to share any information. So let's focus on educating ourselves and others rather than spreading unwarranted fear. This is one of the main reasons I started my social media channels, to dispel myths and share accurate information. In a world deeply intertwined with technology, understanding and correctly using tech is more than a convenience. It's a necessity. I invite you to join me on this journey of making tech more accessible and less daunting for everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech clarity and insights. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.